All right, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create your paste, your glue paste for the paper mache part of your big head project. So we'll need a couple of things. I've got just kind of a large like metal spoon here. I've got a couple paper towels because I'm going to want to clean off the spoon. I have my container with my lid that I should have given you in your sculpture kit. So you need those because, of course, once you create this, if you put the lid on there, it'll separate out a little bit of the solution, but you'll just kind of stir it back up and it'll be good to go. But if you leave the lid off, of course, it's going to dry out and then it's going to become, the water will evaporate and you'll be just left with this kind of clear glue stuff. You can kind of peel off the bottom and you're going to waste your glue. So that's why you've got to make sure that you have that lid on tight at the end so that you don't dry out your glue solution. Okay, and I've got some water over here and I've got my PVA glue, my white glue, in my gallon here. And so I'll start by just, you're going to pour quite a bit in to this. Okay, so yours, when you pour yours in, you'll probably squeeze about half of your glue bottle in your container to start off with. Okay, so then I'm going to add a little bit of water, a little bit more, sort of stir it around a little bit. And I'm just diluting the glue with the water. And you want to get it so that it sort of no longer has kind of streaky stuff quality to it, so that it's consistent and just looks like fairly thin glue. I'm going to put a little bit more water in there. Just little bits at a time. Okay, that looks about right. Let me feel that. No, actually, I need more water because it's still pretty tacky and it's fairly viscous still, so it's still fairly thick. You don't want to make it too thin because if you make it too thin, your piece is going to be really, really wet. Now, thankfully, that you have created your big head with the cardboard, and so we're really just sort of doing the details kind of over the big head piece. And we're not having to like re-wet an entire form. Okay, that feels about right. So again, paper towels for the spoon. I want to clean it off so that your people at home don't get cranky with a whole bunch of glue on this thing. Of course, just rinse it off when you're done. It'll dissolve. It won't be a problem. And so now you have your glue solution. And remember, every single day when you're done, make sure to get this totally on there, tight. Check it so that one, it doesn't spill somewhere. That'd be really bad. And two, you don't want this stuff to dry out.